Okay guys, here I am with science and technology news. One important news of the week is that the cancer drug trametinib has increased the life of fruit fly, F-R-U-I-T, fruit, F-L-Y, fruit fly. While applying this drug trametinib in the body of fruit fly, the scientists found that it prolongs the life of the fruit fly. Then I always told you we have to always give importance on those science and technology news which have contribution to human world and who bears immense application for human world. Okay, then what is the application? What the application the scientists can capture from this phenomena? The scientists can capture this phenomena that is the anti-aging drug. That using this cancer drug, the scientists found that the fruit fly lifespan of fruit fly has been increased. Then what is the capture for the scientist? The scientists can capture that what is the phenomena who is actually prolongs the life of fruit fly. Can it be used to human body? Can it be used for anti-aging effect in human body? This is the application that can be derived from this science and application, this scientific founding. Okay, now what is the key term regarding this thing? You see, scientists found that to prolong the prolong the age effect, okay, to give a anti-aging treatment to human body, they have found that the basic criteria is that RAS protein. Then why the RAS protein is essential for anti-aging effect? Because you see, why we die, or why we how our lifespan actually gradually decreases. You see, cell division. Okay, the cell division, cell growth is the base of our lifespan. Okay, the cell growth, cell die. This is the two processes which makes our life cycle. The one thing is that RAS protein is related with it regulates cellular process. One is that it actually transmits signal. Transmit signal means the intercellular pathway. RAS protein is the base of intracellular pathway. Intercellular pathway means it transmits the signal of cell from one to another. It is the base for regulating cell growth and it is the base for regulating cell death. And the scientists have found that if anyway this intracellular pathway, which is controlled by RAS protein, can be prolonged or can be delayed, then the anti-aging effects can be achieved. Okay, then this is the criteria, or this is the phenomenon, this is the logic behind this scientific research, why we have to give importance this thing for our syllabus. Okay, you can find question that what is the RAS protein, what is its contribution to human health. Another important science and technology news of the week is that new technique uses regenerative capacity of stem cells to eliminate HIV. The news is important, you see, because it is related with a T cell. T cell is also known as white blood cell in our body. Then what is the importance of T cell? T cell is important is that it works as a scanning of all the viruses. Okay, whenever any foreign body enters in our body, T cell actually works as a detector and it also kills the bacteria. And T cell or white blood cell also kills any cell which is bacterially affected. If any cell in our body is affected by bacteria, then T cell generally kills that cell. Above all, T cell is the scanning of our body. It kills bacterially or virusly. It kills bacterially affected cell. It prevents virus. Okay, in this way it makes our body protective. And when HIV actually comes, when any person is suffering from HIV, then HIV kills this T cell. Then scientists has found that If this T cell can be regenerated, if this T cell can be regenerated, then a person can be saved from SIV viruses without using any expensive drug. It is a very breakthrough finding. If it would be applicable, if its application can be made into reality, then all the problem will be finished. But and then now scientists has found that chimeric T cell, chimeric antigen receptor, CAR, chimeric antigen receptor. Then what is chimeric antigen receptor? The chimeric antigen receptor means it is an artificial T cell that using this scientists is in the research that in if this chimeric antigen receptor means CAR, which is artificial T cell, can be used for it can be used generally. It is still used in organ transplantation. This CAR is still used in organ transplantation, but extending this application, if this CAR can be used to regenerate the T cell, okay, then people can be saved from SIV diseases without using any expensive drug. It is a very breakthrough. And why it is important for our syllabus? It is actually very intricately related to our syllabus. It has this finding has very great contribution to humanity. Okay, humanity, and it is especially related to application in human world. You might find question, what is the role of T cell to our body? Okay, what role T cell can play in regenerating dead cell? What do we mean by chimeric antigen receptor? What is its importance in organ transplantation? In this way you might find question.